What the fuck did they... I don't know how the house didn't burn down.
Hey grasshoppers. Today in the new episode of This Wonky House, we're going to try to straighten this up a little bit. Right here, we got a light. If you look at that, it's coming through the wall, no insulation. It's old wiring. Things are exposed. We're going to clean this up and add a switch. I'm not an electrician. I don't pretend to be. But there's nothing I can do to make this more dangerous. All right, the first thing we got to do is turn off the power. And with this old shit, I have no idea where it is. We're going to use this. I did buy the adapters just for this type of stuff. I wish they would have been sold with this. So what we'll do, unscrew the light bulb, screw this in, and then we'll go down to the panel and see what it tells us. I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty dark. But basically you screw that into the light, you put the bottom end of the circuit tester in there, and then we'll go down and I'll show you the results. All right, so we're going to turn the power on. What's the chances? Let's go find out if it worked. As you can see, the lights are off. Test it, we're good. So that thing worked pretty sweet. I don't know how the house didn't burn down. You got the bare wires. That's not good, man. All right, we got large wads of tape here. That's our problem. Ah, the many uses of a pliers. What the fuck did they... Don't worry, I got my safety squints on here, guys. All right, that's what we're looking at. These two pigtails here, or was holding this light. This obviously goes upstairs. So we're going to have to clean this up. All right, man, this has been a mess, but this is what we ended up doing. You can't bury a junction box in the wall, so I'm going to have to keep this open. What I'm going to end up doing, I'll cut it nice, and I'll put a plastic cover that retracts, and I'll mark it so we have easy access. I re-taped those up to just improve the insulation, and I ran new wires here. We got one going to the light. This will go to the switch, and this one here is going to go down and replace this, which is an outlet on the other side. At least then we're properly grounded, and we are bonded to the box there. All right, so here we are. Light's hooked up to a switch. We got to put the cover on it. Junction box, we got to clean up this outside. A couple more staples here. This will replace that mess, which has no juice going to it right now. Just going to mess with that tomorrow. So we got it wrapped up safe. This is what happens when you start digging in old houses. Again, I'm not an electrician, but I guarantee you this is 10 times safer than it was.